Today on Knowing the 925, we are at Walnut Creek at Board and Brush. Let's go check it out. As local realtors, my team and I are often asked about the places in our town. I want to share some of our favorite businesses with you. I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Terra Real Estate, and this is Knowing the 925. Hi, thank you so much for having us. Tell me about the place.
This is Board and Brush, Walnut Creek. We are a wood sign workshop. We have other projects as well, but mostly it's signs. When you come in, you take a project all the way from raw wood to like something that you see on the wall here. You get to get super crafty. We've got drinks and music, and you don't have to have any of the mess at your own house. We have a location here in Walnut Creek, right downtown, and our second location is in Livermore. This one can hold up to about 30 people, and the other about 40. So Board and Brush is the perfect spot for a girls' night out, a date night, corporate team building event, all kinds of parties. We serve wine and beer and champagne and sodas and sparkling water. So we have over 400 options that you can choose from online. A lot of our projects are personalized, which makes them super unique and special. So when you come into class, everybody's making something that they chose, different than each other. So not like everybody's making the same project. You've got your stencil ready to go. Keyword stencil, you don't have to have any art skill. Your project will come out amazing, whether you're crafty or not. You get to do the whole process of the artwork, from distressing and sanding and staining and drilling. So you get to get your hands really dirty, use some power tools, and have a lot of fun.
cute board I made. I'm gonna hang it at my office because it's got the cross grip on it. It was so much fun. Everybody was doing different projects. It was kind of cool to see what everybody's doing and the colors they were choosing. You have to come check this place out here in Walnut Creek, Board and Brush. We'll put all the information below, and we'll see you next time on Knowing the 925. Bye.